everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to add images to your Kahoot quiz. Let's say you've created a Kahoot quiz and you want to add images to it. Now how do you do that? It's quite simple. Just simply click on library at the bottom, then click on Kahoot, then click on your Kahoot. Okay, click on your Kahoot and you choose the one you want to. Okay, so how do we edit it now? Click on the pencil. Okay, click on the pencil icon and then you can edit it. Then you click on the image, add media. Let's say I want to add pictures from my gallery, for example. Click on gallery. Let's say this is the image I want to add, for example. You can crop the image, you can put no effect, you can do this if you want. But you have to choose a plan to be able to do that. So for the image reveal, so this is the image I want to use and I click on save. The image will be put there. It's as simple as that. So I can put other ones. You can put the image, you can put a video if you want, you can use GIFs, you can use audio alone. You can ask it to read aloud. You can say hello first of all. You can choose the language you want and then it's added. So okay, it didn't add audio. Hello. Okay, it failed because of network. Okay, so anyway, you can add an audio too, you can add an image, but we're talking about image today, so let's just click on images. So you can take from the Kahoot library, but you have to be a bronze user, so you can take from your standard. You can choose from stickers, but as you can see, for whatever reason my network is really not cooperating with me. So you choose from sticker, just click on it and it will be added. So at least this one was added easily. So that's how you do for every one of them. It's as simple as that. I want you to show you, click on the three dots at the top to preview it to see what it looks like. You can see how it looks like, and then you can try to add music sound effects. So I'm quitting the game now, and then let's go back and then you click on save. So the image has been added. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.